Covering more local news that matters, the Selma family is still in shock tonight after nearly dying from carbon monoxide poisoning. It happened Friday. The family says they couldn't afford to pay their power bill after an unexpected hospital visit earlier this month, so they put a generator in the crawl space under the house for heat. They propped a door open for ventilation, but the wind shut the door. Bobby Ray Smith said he, his wife, his mother, and his son were all home. His wife woke up around 6 Saturday morning feeling sick, so she called 911 an hour later, and they're thankful that the fire department's quick response. He says doctors told them if they were in the house an hour longer, they all would have died.
Still kind of shocked a little bit, but I mean, health-wise, I feel a lot better. It's a little weak, a little woozy a little bit today, but I mean, just feel a lot better. But all, you know, seems like the community's all backing us on this. That feels a lot better too. Makes you feel good.
The family spent 6 hours in the hospital. The Thanksgiving Fire Department is collecting donations to help them out.